Hey everyone, it's Akos here from ATechFlow, and today we are checking out the new NYXI Hyperion 2. This one promises mechanical buttons, RGB lighting, Hall effect joysticks and a lot of pro features. So let's unbox it, test it out and see if it's really as good as it looks. Let's go! So as usual, let's start with the unboxing. So in the box you get left and right Hyperion 2 controllers, a protective storage case, user manual and brand brochure. This is the transparent shell version, so you can see some of the internal components. It's clean, minimal and looks great under the RGB lighting. The build feels solid, but it's still lightweight at around 80 grams per side, which is perfect for long gaming sessions. Now let's talk about what makes the Hyperion 2 stand out. First up, the Hall effect joysticks. If you ever had Joy-Con drift, you'll love these. They don't wear down in the same way, so you get consistent, precise movement every time. Then we've got the mechanical buttons. All the A, B, X, Y buttons, D-pad, shoulder buttons and triggers have that clicky feel, almost like a gaming mouse. It's quick, responsive and really satisfying to press. There is also RGB lighting, which is fully customizable. You can change the effects, colors and brightness right from the controller. I keep mine subtle, but it's nice to have the options. On the back you get two programmable buttons that you can set for macros or quick actions. Super handy in games where speed matters. And finally, a high-speed vibration motors. That's way stronger and sharper than the usual Joy-Cons, plus a built-in 500 mAh battery on each side, giving you hours of play before needing a charge. Now let's check the experience and how to feel to play with these controllers. I've been playing Fortnite and Minecraft with the Hyperion 2 and honestly I noticed an instant improvement in my gameplay. In Fortnite, aiming feels much more precise and building is way faster. Those Hall effect joysticks make quick edits and accurate shots too much easier. The mechanical buttons mean very jump, swap or shot registers instantly, which makes a big difference in intense matches. In Minecraft, movement is smoother, mining feels consistent, and I can switch items without missing a beat. Honestly, overall I play better with these controllers. It's easier to aim, move and react, and the 125 Hz Bluetooth response rate keeps everything feeling responsive and lag-free. On the technical side, the Hyperion 2 has some nice touches that makes a difference. The buttons use Calic mechanical switches. They're built to last and keep that clicky, responsive feel no matter how much you play. The joysticks are Hall effect, that means no drift and a smoother, more accurate response for aiming or movement. Battery life is solid, about 10 hours if you keep the lights off, around 5 with RGB on full, and it only takes a couple of hours to fully charge. You're getting Bluetooth 5.0 with a range of about 10 meters, so you can play comfortably without worrying about signal drop. And there's even turbo fire and macro programming if you want to toast those extra competitive features. It's the kind of setup that feels like a proper gaming upgrade over the standard Joy-Cons. Compared to the standard Joy-Cons, the Hyperion 2 feels like a serious upgrade. The original Joy-Cons use standard potentiometer joysticks which can wear out and drift. The Hyperion 2's Hall joysticks don't. Joy-Cons buttons are softer and less defined, while these mechanical switches give a sharp, precise click every time. Battery life is longer on Joy-Cons if you never use rumble or light, but in real use the Hyperion 2's stronger vibration and the RGB makes it feel more premium. And in terms of comfort, the Hyperion 2's shape and weight distribution make longer sessions a lot easier on the hands. So guys, let's wrap this up. The NYXI Hyperion 2 is a huge step up from stock Joy-Cons. The Hall effect joysticks means no drift and better precision. The mechanical buttons feel fantastic and the extra features like RGB lighting and back button macros make it feel like a real pro controller. It's comfortable, solidly built and makes gaming, whether it's competitive matches in Fortnite or just relaxing in Minecraft, feel smoother and more responsive. For me, it's made a noticeable difference in how I play. So do I asking I recommended the Hyperion 2 controller? 100%. Honestly guys, I never tested that so good premium quality controller as the Hyperion 2. That's 100%, I'm telling you. So thumbs up, and thank you NYXI to send me this product. It was a pleasure to test it. So if you enjoyed this review, drop a like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech content in the channel A Tech Flow. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.